So I have finally gotten some advent calendars and they arrived. This is the W7 Beauty Blast. I think this one is 24 days advent calendar. So we're gonna open it. We're gonna see how much it is, how much it's worth. So this is how it looks. Open it, that's that. It has 24 days. This is day number 1 and this is day number 24. So because it is the 17th today, I'm gonna do number 1 through 17 in the first part, and then for part 2 you're gonna see the other days. So this is number 1. This is so much harder than it is look on TikTok. This is a liquid blush, actually. Oh, it's a twist open. Y'all know I need to make pink blush error. So I'm gonna swatch this on the back of my hand. This is more like a mauve pink. This is number 2 right here. And so this is a lip pencil. The shade is True One. So I think, I don't know if that can show up on me, honestly. I know I bleach a little bit now, but this is a very light color. So this is number 3. Is this another? Oh, this is a Shimmer Glow bronzing powder. This one might actually, no, it's not gonna work, but it's still cute. This is how it looks. Let me swatch it right quick. And this is how it looks on the back of my hand right here. So I'm definitely gonna be giving this one away. It's number 4. I think it's the tissue paper in it. You really can't hear nothing shaking, which I appreciate. This is the skincare. Wait, can it come out the box? Anyway, this is the W7 Berry Clean Makeup Remover. I definitely need this. So sad that it is a travel size, unfortunately. Oh yeah, this does smell like berry. This actually smells like Starburst. Number 5. This is a big one, so probably it's like an eyeshadow palette. Hopefully. No, it's not. It is a makeup remover sponge. This is number 6. This is tiny. Lippy Chic Ultra Cream Lipstick. It does not have a cup. Shout out. But this is number 7. One of my lights just cut off. So, gotta do this. This is a makeup sponge. I really don't use these. We have number 8 over here. This looks like another lip product. Yes, it is. It's called Thick Drip Lip Gloss. Yes, this is a thicker lip gloss. But I like how it feels. This is number 9. This is another good size one. Let me not get this on this jacket. What did it? Oh, it's a satin powder. It's a water-based loose powder. So yeah, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be using that. That's a little bright. This is 10. This is a this is a Sweet Glow Drop. This is a illuminator to like mix with your foundation. But this is how it looks. Now we have number 11. This really gets tedious, you know, like really tedious. Because I'm like 9 minutes in and I only on number 11. This is another gloss. This is a clear gloss. Oh, whoa. It's 11. This is 12. It's a long one. So it is a pencil. What kind of pencil? King Cole. Wow. This is the blackest black. Look at that. Whoa. Yeah. So now we have number 13. This is a kind of a big one too. What is this? Oh, I get a body mist. Oh, this smells so good. Now we have number 14. We ain't get no eye products here. I think what's going on. Looks really good. This is a Sweet Lips Sugar Scrub Strawberry. I need this. I really like the smell, but I do need this. Y'all know when you're gardening, your lips just turn dark. And we have number 15 here. All I'm doing is tearing up these boxes. And this is a Lumina Multi Glow Filter. I guess it's something that you could put on your face too. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's similar to it. Oh, I don't like this color. So this is number 16. Still no eyeshadow yet. This looks like another lip scrub. Oh, we got an eyeshadow. We got a single eyeshadow called Yummy Eyes. This is so pretty. Let me see if I can fix my light. But this is how it looks. I ain't gonna lie, if y'all know the day I had, y'all would know why I'm not rushing to fix anything. Now we have number 17, which is today. Oh, this one's kind of big. Wonder what this. We got a satin spray, y'all. We got a satin spray. Fresh grip, a soothing satin mist. It has glitter in it. Oh man, that's crazy. So that is number 17. So far, y'all should go to part 2 to see the rest of this and to see me put everything on my face. If you've made it this far in the video, you might as well follow me on TikTok. Subscribe to me on YouTube. See y'all in part 2.